In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8n with Telegram. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official N8n website. This is where you'll be managing your automated workflows, so it's a good idea to bookmark the site for future ease of access. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to N8n. Look for the Sign In button. It's usually located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the simple instructions provided on the site. Once you've successfully logged into N8n, it's time to switch gears a bit. Grab your mobile device and open up the Telegram app. In the search bar at the top, type in @botfather. @botfather is an official Telegram bot that helps you create and manage your own Telegram bots. It's a great resource and the first step in connecting N8n with Telegram. Once you've found @botfather, start a new chat with it. Your goal here is to create a new bot, and @botfather will guide you through the process. Follow the prompts to name your bot and give it a username that ends in bot. This is important, as Telegram requires it for bot accounts. After you've created your bot, @botfather will provide you with an API token. This token is crucial. It's essentially the key that allows N8n to interact with your Telegram bot. Make sure to copy this token and keep it somewhere safe, as you'll need it in the following steps. Now, return to your computer and open your N8n instance. Look for the Settings option in the dashboard menu, and under it, you'll find a section labeled Credentials. This is where you'll manage the various connections N8n makes with other services. Click on Credentials, and then look for the option that says Add Credential. In the search box that appears, type in Telegram. You'll see the Telegram integration pop up. Go ahead and select it. A form will appear asking for the Telegram API token. Remember the token you got from @botfather? This is where it comes into play. Paste the token into the designated field and save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully connected N8n with Telegram. By following these steps, you can now automate interactions and workflows between N8n and your Telegram bot, opening up a world of possibilities for streamlined communication and operations. Thank you for joining in today, and happy automating!